Hello, my name is Rachel, and I want to thank you for giving us your time today. 2020 has seen the spread of coronavirus around the world since the beginning of the year, which has had a significant impact on not only our daily lives, but also your business situation. Today, I'm going to talk about how we at Digi can support the supermarkets when the corona pandemic is over. The first is a survey conducted by the Japan Supermarkets Association in March of this year on how companies are dealing with the coronavirus in Japan. Food supermarkets have changed the way they sell their products due to the coronavirus. Bulk sales, which are widely practiced in many supermarkets, have been discontinued due to the difficulty of ensuring hygiene and safety. The following results are from a survey by a Japanese supermarket association group. 80% of the companies have already suspended selling in bulk style as a response to prevent in-store transmission, 7% plan to do so, while 13% have no plans to do so. They are shifting to food packs and trays when selling conventional bulk products. The bakery department also has changed to individual packaging. And lastly, there has been an increase in wrapped items in the produce department as well. The focus has shifted to ensuring food hygiene and safety, which is the most important issue right now. On the other hand, consumer attitudes have changed as well. People are now placing greater emphasis on food hygiene and safety. Here are 3 concerns that consumers said. The impact of the coronavirus has caused me to avoid unwrapped products. We believe that agricultural products are safer when they are packaged. Particularly, I'm concerned about vegetables that are not cooked and eaten raw, such as salads. However, it is very difficult for supermarkets to pack their fruits and vegetables because it's labor intensive, and in this state of emergency, there is a lack of manpower. That's why Digi offers a solution for an efficient in-store fruit and vegetable packaging. First, let's take a look at this case from Japan. In the fruit and vegetable department, products are being wrapped as shown on the right, instead of being sold in bulk as shown in the photo on the left. Products are wrapped to ensure hygiene and safety. The products are packaged in 5s, 3s, or 1s. These are no-tray products. Even long and narrow products such as radish, zucchini, and bitter gourd can be wrapped without wrinkles. It is also possible to package irregularly shaped produce of various sizes, like lotus roots, 2 ears of corn, or a combination of 3 eggplants. Here we could see wrapped cut cabbage and pumpkins. Cut vegetables are popular in Japan because the demand for buying whole vegetables is decreasing in urban areas due to the growing nuclear family. Unevenly cut winter squash and irregularly shaped cauliflower can also be wrapped. A wide range of root crops, such as carrots and sweet potatoes, as well as peppers in trays, can be wrapped as well. Finally, many products can be wrapped without trays, like cut watermelon, or in transparent trays, like kiwis or tomatoes. As you've seen, there are a lot of challenges to packaging produce in stores. For example, labor shortage, slow and inefficient operation, high labor cost but less production, lack of skills for manual cutting and packaging, and inconsistent and poor presentation. With these challenges in mind, Digi offers an efficient in-store fruit and vegetable packaging solution for wrapping produce. Please watch the video for our automatic flexible wrapping machine, the AW-5600FX II. As you can see, the Digi AW-5600FX II enables flexible wrapping for fragile trays, irregularly shaped trays, and even trayless items like whole vegetables, fruits, and cheeses. The AW-5600FX II can drastically reduce the need for troublesome hand wrapping operation. Our main priority is to continue to serve and support the supermarkets during these challenging times. As always, our commitment to our customers remain unchanged. Now, let me introduce you to some related information. 2 videos on this product are available on YouTube. Please watch them for a better understanding of the AW-5600FX II. Please also check the website pages, which contain various information on the AW-5600FX II. Thank you for listening.